Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Carly and this is Carly's Crafts and Interests. Welcome! And if you are returning, welcome back. Glad to have you either way. Today, I'm going to do a little simple craft. I have, from the dollar store, this pretty box which I have stained already with this stain. You can use it on leather, but you can also use it on wood. And I thought, well, it looks pretty nice as it is, like this. But maybe I want to dazzle it up a little bit. So that's what we're going to do. Just a quick little idea you can do. These boxes you can get from the dollar store. Pretty easy, pretty quick. Get stuff out of the way. So what you'll need is some glue. Ooh. And I'm going to put some glitter on there. Poke it with a little small brush here. I'm going to go where the wings of this is. Putting it on here. It's been very hot weather here. How's your weather been? It's getting pretty toasty here where I am. It's funny. You get sick of the cold and you can't wait for summer when it gets here. Then get ready for the cold again. Can't quite win. Making sure the glue goes on all the different little parts of this butterfly here. See? Now for the fun part. Take our glitter. Now the good thing is this is a box, so I don't have to worry about it going everywhere. I just go in the box and I can take it out afterwards. Let's see. I'm just gonna put it on the whole butterfly here. It's well covered. And tap off the excess. Just wiping off excess. It does not need to go there. And reapplying some glue. parts that didn't get done. Tapping off again. Just wiping off excess here. So it's not very exciting here. There, just trying to get it so that it and there you have it, our butterfly. It has been dazzled up with a bit of glitter. It's a little bit messy, but I can clean it up afterwards. Or I want wrong thing here. Glue. Just perfecting. It's very simple. You can get these boxes for like $1.25. They come pretty plain. And you can stain them if you want to, or you can do things with them in their natural color if you want. It's totally up to you. It's just a quick thing to make a box look a little bit more jazzed up than it would. Had you not, done anything with it. This is just your normal craft glitter. This is in like a seafoam green color. Get it in most craft stores. This is just glue that I got from a various kit that I've gotten. I still have the glue from it. Didn't use it all up. Decided to use it. And I think I need to put a little bit more glue here and a little bit more glitter. Just on a little bit of for a cheap box. It has a lot of it kind of intricate. Be carved out actually. I'm just trying to make it look the best that it can. Let's see what this is. Right here. It needs a bit of glitter. Anyways, you could fuss around with this all day until you're happy with it. At the end of the day, you know, you just have it the way you just put, very simple, you know. Choose your glitter and I place it upon your box. Now like I said, I dyed this before, and so that's why it's got that's why it's darker. They don't come this way. They come wrong side. Yeah, I think I'll sit there for a minute. Anyway, they come plain, but you can, this is just an idea of what you can do with a simple box from the dollar store, $1.25. You can turn it into what looks like a box that you would spend, you know, twice as much for, depending on your artistic ability. This is just one way to dazzle a simple box up. And if you enjoyed this video, I hope you did. Just a simple video. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I hope you will, to help this channel grow. It's a little channel, I know that. Filming has been a little bit different. Things have been going on that not my control, you know, but we're working on those things so I can get back to normal in filming. So coming up with ideas that you haven't seen yet, haven't done yet, that'll be fun to show you. And if you have subscribed, I'm glad you have. Anyways, till next time, this is just a little craft showing you what you can do with a simple box, turning into a cooler box. And until next time, have a great day. Bye for now.